Hi, Editing John here. I just checked that the video is unfocused. I'm very sorry for that, but it is what it is. Thank you for your patience.
Today it's the 5th episode, I think, of the PC building series. This time I'm bringing you the CPU and the internal SSD. Okay, so this is already open because the box came in a bit of a rough state and I wanted to see if everything was right before I did this. So, normal box, forget about it. And this is what I got. Just set this aside. I got the Samsung Evo Plus 2TB 990E, which is basically, from what I understood, a hybrid because it can perform as a PCIe of 4th gen or PCIe of 5th gen. I think it's this, I don't know. I might be wrong here. Don't take my word for it, but this is what I got in terms of performance. The price was the best one, and it was on sale. It was 118 euros, I think. So I think it was a wonderful price for it. And that's not a lot of information on the box. And the inside, it's pretty chilled. So this is it. Pretty small, I would say, but understandable. And there's this might be some lovely way to break it, John. Might be the quick solid state drive SSD, basically. Why the fuck? Basically installation guide, warranty statement, basically. I might have voided because of this, but this will be important, like I said. This will not, this is shit. Okay. And this is the CPU. The one I got was the Ryzen 7800x3D, which I think it's not the best, but it's the good one because of the 3D V cache, basically another internal RAM, so it can get information faster than going to the RAM. It goes directly to the CPU. It's a good gaming CPU, one of the best out there. Not the best because there's also the 9800X3D, if I say so correct. There's a lot of ones also better, but this one was good for its price, which was 350, which was expensive shit. Expensive, but still good. And I think it will be good with the 970XD. I think it will be a good pair up. So let's open it up. This is not the most pleasing unboxing, I know. I know. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, God above. So this is actually the first time I'm seeing this. I never saw this inside. I don't know why is this like this, but okay. So let's try and bring it out. So this is a waste of space. The fuck? Yeah, I know this is for other cases of other CPUs that bring a cooler with it. This one doesn't. I know. So this slides down. Okay, this slides out. Okay. How the fuck do I open this? So this is it. Bigger than I thought it was. So this is rated for this is an 8-core 16-thread processor, 5 gigahertz of max boost and 4.2 base, which I think it's good. And yeah, I think it will be a good pair up. So what does it bring also? Let's not. Let's see. It brings an installation, instructions, warranty for AMD sockets, AM5 processors. Okay, we like images. Okay, we like this, images. I don't like words. Okay. This is very good. And what is this? Join the conversation. No, do not care. Okay, so to everyone that's watching, I would like to say, in terms of hardware and other things, mainly for the computer, this is the penultimate episode, because the only thing that's missing, it's the PCU, which is one of the most, for me, it's one of the most difficult things to choose from. And to be honest, I don't know how it will be or what will it be. And because this one has a 12 volt for 8 volt, it's a mess. And some people say connected to the PSU, some people don't, and I'm still debating on that. And yeah, that's gonna be it. After this, after the PSU one, you'll probably see me assembling it. Yeah, top notch type shit. Yeah, thank you.